Do you want to know how you can turn your 1xBet into light mode? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can turn your 1xBet into light mode. This especially helps if you have a weak internet connection because the data consumption is considerably low on the light version of 1xBet. So let me teach you how you can do so. Open any browser on your PC and go to 1xbet.com. After you go to 1xbet.com, make sure you do have an account and then log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can register yourself. Now, after you have logged into your account, this option or this interface will be shown. Go ahead and click on Settings, which is right beside your profile option. After you click on it, you can see light version. So you can see that it will disable some ads and advanced interactive blocks. After you go ahead and enable it, it will turn into light version itself and the page will reload. And what this will do is, it will disable some ads and some advanced interactive blocks which will take some very less data, and it will save your internet, and it will also make your browsing experience faster. So guys, this is how you turn your 1xBet into light mode. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.